Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm making three different types of samosas. First one is chicken pizza. Second one is minced mutton. And the third one is potato. Now let's start cooking. For the minced mutton, I'm adding 1/4 cup oil and half kg minced mutton. I'm going to cook it until it changes color. As you can see now it turns brown. I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, two to three chopped green chilies and a handful of coriander. Now let's add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Lastly, I'm adding 1 chopped onion. I am adding onion last to keep the onion slightly crunchy. Our first filling is ready. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool. Now let's make potato filling. For that I'm adding 1/4 cup oil, 1 chopped onion. I'm going to cook onion until it turns slightly golden. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, one cup boiled peas, here you can also add any other vegetables of your choice. Now let's add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now I'm adding 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. Lastly, I'm adding handful of coriander and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Potato filling is ready. Now pour it into a bowl and let it cool. Now let's make the family favorite chicken pizza filling. For that I'm adding 1 whole chicken breast, boiled and shredded, 1 cup sweet corn, 1 cup mixed bell peppers, 1 chopped red onion, 3 tablespoons homemade pizza sauce. You can find this sauce recipe in the description below. 1 cup mozzarella cheese and 1 teaspoon parsley. Mix all the ingredients well. Now, as our three fillings are ready, it's time to make the samosas. For that, take the samosa sheet, fold both sides, make it into a cone shape. Now add your filling. Paste eggs on the first corner and fold over. Now paste egg on the outer corner. Fold it and make it into a triangle shape. Now let's make our chicken pizza samosa. For that, take another sheet, fold both sides, make it into a cone shape. Add chicken pizza filling. Paste egg on the first corner. Fold over. Now paste egg on the outer corner and fold over and make it into triangle shape. Make rest of the samosas using the same method. You can store them into a freezer for up to 1 month. Now it's time for frying. Heat oil in a pan. Place all your samosas. Fry them until they turn light golden. Once they're slightly golden, take them out and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.